My name's Esther Belen, and I am one of 3 collaborators. I'm working with Andrea Poli and Vinaya Yazzie.
Yat a Vinaya Yazzie Inishya. Hawan Thunishle Ado Twitchini Bashichin. Toy Haglini Eda Shiche Ado Kisani Eda Chanella. A quit out in the Sanishle. Ditna o Dithidant, 8 Ayasin Nasha, and the Twat Dead the Shigan. And the San Juan Valley is the area that I grew up as a child, and I'm a product of this valley.
My name is Russell Bauer, and I'm working with Andrea Poli, and we're working on the Binding Sky project. Was kind of asked to do some design on the bench, and ended up being kind of in charge of seeing that it got built also. I couldn't help but imagine seeing these things in stone, and then we went out there and talking about having benches in 2 different locations and how we would create a kind of journey between these 2 benches, and it was kind of posited what will these benches look like. And we wanted to work with materials that were available in the area, and it seemed like most of what was available was rocks.
I'm doing sound mixing and sound editing. We have 3 sound pieces that people are going to be listening to. I'm mixing the sound, I'm cutting the interviews and adding sound effects and stuff like that. So we have 3 different audio pieces. The first one has Damian Jones and Black Horse talking about Navajo culture and how it's been impacted and changed throughout time and the history of that.
You find a real cloud in the sky, where now you find a dirty one across the sky.
The current that's happening deep in the earth and the movements that are happening deep in the earth is what we're mimicking. And when somebody's sick, we dance for them like in that same motion, the same motion that happens within the earth.
There are like MP4 sequences.
My name is Ryan Romero. I worked on the Android application called Binding Sky. And the point is, as you're going across through this area, you will hear these audio files playing. You will stop at one of these locations and you will be able to see 2 coal power plants that are located on either side of this road. This application will allow people to hear and listen to each of these interviews that we did to draw attention to the environment at anywhere, anytime. They don't necessarily need to be on the exact route that we supplied for them.